Welcome to Android Video Lesson Shorts Edition. My name is Sebastian Colbert, and in this lesson we'll learn about AlertDialogs. Dialogs are small windows that prompt user to take action or provide valuable information. These dialogs are modular, meaning user must interact with it before proceeding. AlertDialog object extends dialog class to allow you to build a variety of dialog designs. AlertDialog has three parts: title for the content, it is optional; content area, which can display message, list, or custom content; action buttons, which are limited to a maximum of 3 types. The 3 types of buttons allowed are positive, used for accepting the dialog action; negative, used for canceling the action; and neutral, which is not accepting action or canceling it, but still proceeding ahead. Let's take a look at how to create a simple dialog. The first step is to create the AlertDialog builder. The next step is to set the title and the message. A common way to accomplish this is by changing the method's calls. You can then set the action buttons. Here we are setting the positive and negative buttons. The last step is to create a dialog and show it. You can also create AlertDialogs with a list. There are 3 kinds: single choice list, persistent single choice list, and persistent multiple choice list. The steps for building AlertList dialog are similar to a simple dialog. As before, you need to create the AlertDialog builder. In the next step, the title is set, but there is no message. Instead, setItems method is called to populate the content area with a selection list. Also notice there is no need to set buttons here, although they are used for other types of list dialogs. Lastly, create the dialog and show it. To show single choice list or multiple choice list, replace the setItems method with setSingleChoiceItems or setMultipleChoiceItems methods. Download this lesson's sample code for examples. That is all for this lesson. Visit androidvideolessons.com/shorts to get access to source code for this and other lessons. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I wish you happy coding.